Now after creating the tables, we have to create the relationship between these two tables. Okay, so for creating the relationship from the between this table, we have to go to the database tool option. Okay, we have to go to the database tool option. Okay, then from the database tool option, create on the relationship, define how the data in table is related such that ID fields or name fields in different tables that should match. Okay, that means when we create the relationship, we use our primary key field. Okay, so click on this button. When you click on this button, it will show this table, this dialog box, that is show table. Okay, now from this table we have to add these two tables in the relationship area. Okay, in the relationship area. So just click your first table, that is student personal details, then click on the add button. See here the table is showing. Again the student marks details table, click on it and add it. Okay, and then close it. Okay, see here your table is showing in the relationship area. Okay, relationship area. Now see, these are all the fields. Okay, these are all the fields. Okay, now in table 1, this is our table 1, this is our table 2. In table 1, the student roll number is a primary key. Now when you are creating a relationship, see, everyone see it carefully, just put the mouse over the primary key field like this and click your left mouse click. Okay, click your or press your left mouse button, but don't release it. Okay, press your left mouse button and don't release it, and move in this position, move your mouse like this and put, when the symbol is like this, release your mouse. Okay, now whenever you release your mouse, there is given a edit relationship dialog box. Okay, edit relationship dialog box. Now from here, see, student personal details, STD roll number, and student marks details, STD roll number. That means by using these two fields, you are creating the relationship between two tables. Okay, as because this field are the primary key, this field is a primary key. Then just check on this option, enforce referential integrity. Okay, and then the create option, create button, click on the create button. Okay, I am showing you once again. Okay, I am showing you once again. Put your mouse pointer on the student roll number, then press your left mouse button but don't release it, and move your mouse like this from the second table, in the second table, and whenever you get this symbol, okay, whenever you get this symbol, release your mouse like this. Okay, release your mouse button and it will show this dialog box. Okay, say STD personal details student roll number and STD marks details student roll number. Then check or select the enforce referential integrity. It is a kind of rules that I will say in next class. Okay, then click on the create button. Okay, see, it will create a relationship. Okay, it will create a relationship like this. Okay, now we have to save this relationship. How we can save this? Just close the relationship like this, and it will give you a message that do you want to save changes to the layout of relationship? Say yes. It will save the relationship. Okay.